The word compresses into achieve. My marina was the best place I see. But in the old steez from yesterday, sucking my old rag in a pour of whiskey. Each rag I take, my soul with the lace. As he burns my pipes, my beefs are dried. He's my window now, I've been to Christ. Before I cry, I die. I bow my head and drag my neighbor's kids running home in the rain. I'm more than sniff, playing wild in the vein. Jim walked the vein like the dog shell on his shoulder. I'm so sorry for him. His wife died today. It's more saddening this way. His wife dies every day. He drops his old rag of a bag on his door as he reaches his house. He ransacked the 1,000 months of years he had. A ceremony that takes him a day. Before I cry, I die. I shake my head and drag. I look up. A door cracks open. Alini doesn't know which one to keep. Abrela or Andres. She was once my type until she ate her kind. If it was she and I would have got my trees. Mark shivered to death under a tree. It was Marina wouldn't give him a break. I once took him in, but he ate my shoes. Jean and I shared same rituals, only on rainy days, watching the rain. There he sat, with a stick, with a whisk. That's a ritual I wave, and he never returns it. The man's demons are up to take him. Before I cry, I die. I see my last. I drag the bed, smash my ashtray. There is so much I see, but there are too little I can tell. The world compresses into a teeth, and it's me and you.